Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to talk about updates for 5 altcoins, and today I want to start with the Arbitrum. Basically, guys, nothing happened, nothing unpredictable. Now, on the charts for alts, everything going just straight forward to some deeper correction in September. And the target for Arbitrum, by my personal opinion, still the same. I wish to see the drop to 78. Level by 38 cents 28, so 36.28. This one, this is market the 15th September. So I wish to see something like this one till in the next basically 6 days, maybe by end of this week. I wish to see the Arbitrum here. After that, some consolidation, maybe even the drop to the buy line on the daily time frame, where it's now 27.35. So that's it, guys. I don't know why people wait to something crazy for altcoins when just basic seasonality. The August, it's never the crazy bullish months. The September, especially for S&P 500, for the BTC. And yes, they probably will start cut rates after 17, but we needed time, and usually when they announce some positive news, even it can be rate cuts, we need 3-5 days. So the market absorb all of that news and media and start forming the trend. That's why, guys, targets for Arbitrum still relevant on the daily time frame. It's this block and 12 time frame. Buy line now it's 31.62. No money inflow yet on money power indicator on 12 time frame, on daily time frame, so nothing. Take a look how bearish was the Arbitrum on daily time frame on HTX in August. So this was spike when the Ethereum hit the new all-time high. Almost touched my level for short position, not reach it, so I'm not in position for Arbitrum, unfortunately, guys. That's why I wait the targets lower, and yes, of course, now we start forming some like this hypothetical trend line. When we will touch in the next few days 44.64, a lot of people will start to open the long position and will be wrecked, I guess, because the drop can be like, I don't know, 22% down from that entry. With a risk ratio 1:7, maybe it can be good one. Of course, the targets much higher. So I believe the Arbitrum will be with a new all-time high this cycle. But I just showed you the local zones, just the local zones. So no makes sense now. Again, double check what's happening on weekly time frame, on monthly. So daily sell, nothing new. 4-hour time frame also sell, nothing new. Let's add alerts to Arbitrum. Trade on, take profit, because on ICP today I got the signal, take profit signal. ICP stop it on 4-hour time frame. So highly recommend you guys use this indicator set, so it saves you a lot of time, give you a lot of confidence for your entries. So for Arbitrum, guys, absolutely everything still the same, and I'm waiting this target, and around here, of course, the best case is a drop to the buy line, but here at least it can be the logical entry, like 35 cents with gains like over than this liquidity pool 81 and 21% stop loss, kind of huge one. That's why, yes, better reduce the size of your position or adjust the stop loss. The near protocol, guys, near protocol also the good zones and a good target where to buy. And here 18 level by FIB, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $1.23. That's why the buy line now, lines are dynamic now, it's $1.66. So around this block I will be ready to take a look for purchases near protocol, for example, maybe on a spot or with a third leverage. 12 time frame, $1.79. It's a zone also where we'll be more than comfortable trying to start with the greed, open position for Near protocol. I don't think so. We're gonna drop once again to $1.2375 range. I don't think so. Weekly time frame, we are once again here not so far from the fundamental value. It's now on a weekly $2.16, but yes, we can drop a little bit lower. So basically next 2 weeks, guys, will be so crucial for the market. And yes, that 2 weeks will be so boring. For Near protocol, local one, the people will start draw some random triangles, and most likely that triangles will be broke down with people who will call it as a fake outs, and after that we can see the reversal move. That's why, guys, all eyes now on the news, especially for the macro. I think in September we'll see some not a FUD, we will see some bad news. Bad news like a trigger for S&P 500 dump, maybe for BTC to still a realistic target like 105K. It's so easy to drop 2K down in the next 2 weeks for BTC. It would be good to see. And they will start spreading FUD, so a bull run is over, everything over, we're going to hell, it's a bubble, and all of this stuff, guys. So be ready for the volatile by next 2 weeks, I guess, down volatile. And after 15 September, I think we will change the trend and go higher. But all lines, buy line especially, is still relevant, guys. So 4 hour time frame here for Near protocol, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $1.68, but step by step we see some pullbacks with the money outflow, money inflow. So the whales ready to accumulate. Most promising useless token ever, Polkadot. Here I'm waiting drop on the $3.37 would be good. Buy a line on 12 time frame now, it's $2.64. It will be like a gift to buy. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line on the daily. It's at $2.57, but guys, most likely we will see this like a next percentage next few days. The range, this one, 10%. More than real to see. Even the test of 19% down, $2.96 would be good. So for Polkadot, all main targets, guys, are relevant. I'm still waiting my targets for Polkadot. I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish. I just showed you current realistic data because a lot of people showed you only up-only charts. So it's attractive content, of course. They show you million times some random publications on media and some posts on X, like, oh, take a look, the Polkadot work on something and they will deliver something this autumn. That's why we'll skyrocket to the moon. With that partnership, with that updates, with that gem, what they now trying to sell us, the market makers, guys, deliver the price by seasonality in the right time and the right moment. So you just can close all media, just look at the chart of Polkadot and predict what will happen next, even if you just ignore all fundamental round. It's pretty simple, guys. Here was a buy signals, a sell, now it's a buy back. So wish to see the take profit signal from this sale like it was here. So last one was here in 18 June on 4 hour time frame. We dump it. August 1st, this one. Consolidation, 2 signals to buy, bounce it. Here. 21%. With second leverage, 40% on the futures. Pretty simple, guys. That's why I wish to see another drop. 333, 297 will be good. Will be good to see. Imagine the panic if and when the Polkadot will drop under $3 again. That's it. But technically, yes, of course, the Polkadot is underrated. Weekly time frame looks bullish. Definitely looks bullish, guys. First target for Polkadot on the weekly, I guess October, November, it's 762. Last time when we trade here at the buy line, so here we consolidate August 24, till end of October 24. After that, we saw the pump 218%. So now, if we will see the same story, here we almost touched the fundamental value, I would like to see the sweep this low. So let's say we not drop to 27 block. The same pump will be here. So around your actual, almost actual lows, actual highs, and we're gonna sweep it. So definitely. So targets, guys, are relevant for Polkadot. But you know, everything okay with Polkadot, like speculation. I just don't like this stuff around what they trying to sell us like Polkadot is special. It's not special. It's just a simple token for the trades. ICP, I showed you, I guess, yesterday the targets. So still waiting. We touch and consolidate at this level what I showed you yesterday. It could be the normal entries for the speculation, but I wish to see the lower targets. Now here, money inflow today, it's a good one. 12 time frame, money inflow. Like you can see, all assets totally different, guys. So on Arbitrum, we didn't see this money inflow. On ICP, we see. On Polkadot, not. On Near, not. So some assets with money inflow, some not. That's why it's not random. 12 time frame, we bounce from that line and grab all of that liquidity pool, but not enough, I guess. Not enough because we just liquidate, I guess, only the people who open it, I don't know, the trades here with a 100x leverage, so we liquidate it. Maybe with 75 leverage, we liquidate them. If they open a position, for example, at 470, so they get a liquidation. That's why, imagine to liquidate more, we need to see this one. From this entry, we need to see the 15x, 20x will be liquidation, I guess, yes. So here, 10% down from now, it's a liquidation, 100%. The people who open now, even now, trade with a 10x leverage. Pretty simple, guy. Or at least they need to add the margin. A buy line now on ICP 12 time frame 359, daily time frame 355. Lines are dynamic, guys. So just track everything by yourself. So I wish to see the drop under 419, 423. This is it. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 350 or so, but it's possible. Weekly time frame here for the MEV wallet, it's 447. I don't like the gap under here. This one weekly 325, 374. So yeah, 357 possible, but honestly, I don't think so. We will see that one. If we will, no doubt it's gonna be the better entries. No money inflow yet on the weekly time frame. And the last one is Hbar. Nothing special for the Hbar. We need to wait 21 days, what I showed you before. Now we need to wait just 2 weeks. So everything absolutely still the same. So let's extend the FIBs, right? Take a look how the price respect and react the level. FIB absolutely still the same, what I showed you even, I guess, in some 23. So nothing special, guys. Weekly here, most likely we will test 1943, the take profit line about test, closed almost the fulfill this one weekly gap, but a fulfill will be 1625. So more than sure, guys, we're gonna see the 1941 monthly time frame here. 1840, it can be the full fill of monthly gap, and I don't think so. We're gonna drop to sweep the actual lows what we live in April 25 for like under 12 cents. I don't think so. We're gonna drop it. So that's why most likely we'll see some consolidation also in the next few days. To 18 cents would be good. Buy line now it's 1410. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Buy line on 12 time frame it's 1682. So lines are dynamic, guys. So most positive case in the perfect scenario for Hbar, it's drop around to 12 time frame buy line, but line can be here, for example, in the next few days, like 17 or 18 cents. The money inflows now 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 days in a row. We see the money inflow on 12 time frame. It's a good one. It's a good one. And Hbar on 4 time frame, nothing special. Soon, I guess, we will see another signal to buy on 4 time frame. So guys, all targets relevant. If you'd like to trade with my customer, like I said, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Tech Up channel. See you next time, guys.